Hey, today I'm going to show you on New Zenler how to create coupon codes. And then if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you all the places that I recommend using those codes so you can make more sales in your business. Let me share my screen and we'll get right into this. Okay, so here we are on my home page. Let me pop into the backside of New Zenler, and then we are going to go to where it says this courses. Okay, so here we are on courses, and then over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see coupons. Okay, so then we come over to this purple button in the upper right-hand corner. Hopefully you can see it if I'm covering it, my little face. Sorry. So we click add coupon. Okay, so now you have the option of doing a single coupon or a bulk coupon. Okay, so either or. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to do a single coupon. So I'm going to title the coupon just tutorial because that's what it is, okay, for this video. And then you can, the coupon code itself, we're going to put in tutorial again, okay, as what people would be typing in. And then you can set it to be a percentage or an amount, okay? So if I do a percentage, I could say I just want them to give them 10% off, okay? So 10% off. And then here I could just put in 10, okay? Or you could do a dollar amount, and then you can choose if it's going to be specific products or all products. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do all products because I want to show you where I'm going to put this coupon code. So I click that. Then you can put a limit on the redemption if you don't want an amount. So I could say, you know, I'm only making 3 of these or 10, or for this sake, I'm going to say no limit. I'm just going to leave it blank. Then you can also have it expire on a certain date. Again, for the sake of this, I am not going to do anything with that. And then you can choose, is it going to apply the discount for the first billing only? Say you have like a membership, like I do, my Parisi pack is a monthly marketing membership. So I could be like, okay, it's only going to be the first plan, or I could apply it during every billing, and that's it. And then I'm going to click the add button in the bottom right-hand corner. Okay, it says the coupon was added successfully. So here it is. Okay, so now I am going to show you some places where you should be using your coupon codes. The first place I recommend putting your coupon codes is on your cart abandonment email. So I just filmed a tutorial on how to do this. So let's pop over to language. We're going to go to system emails. We're going to go to cart abandonment email. And then you can see my cart abandonment email here. And then I'm just going to write PS. Save 10% off your purchase with the code tutorial. Okay, that's just what I filmed it as. I'm going to click save. Okay, so you could put this as whatever, you know, probably want to title it something other than tutorial, but hey, I honestly don't care that much. So now this is set up for cart abandonment. So that's the first place you should be using your coupon codes. Okay, other ideas of where to put your coupon codes. I highly, highly recommend including them on as order bumps. So let me show you what I mean by that. Let's go to my stories workshop. Let's go to the checkout page. This is a one-page checkout page, okay? Meaning that if you scroll down or click buy now, it just drops you all the way down, right? So people don't have to click a button to go to a next page. And I have a tutorial you'll see above popping up as that. So here is another place where you can put, okay, the coupon codes, okay? So let me show you if I was gonna edit this. Let's go to the edit button of that page. If we edit it and you have a code that you've made, it's going to take 10% off. So I'll show you, this should work since I made my code good for everything. We're going to scroll all the way down. Okay, so here's my order bump. I click right here where it says edit order bump. Here's the plan. Choose a coupon tutorial. Okay, so now it is on sale. It saves them 10%. So I could click save. Next place that I recommend using your coupon codes is what we call the upsell page. Again, that could be in my stories workshop. We come here, we go to the pages. The upsell page in New Zenler is on the thank you page. So I'm going to preview this, and you can see here that I have a coupon code already attached on. How do you know that? Because I'm giving people a chance to join my marketing membership on a quick upsell here, and it says, hey, you can join just for $99 a month. It's regularly $150. I have it down that you can join for $99. So I have a coupon code attached to this, okay? And that is in the setup. So that's the third place that I recommend using your coupon codes. Okay, let me show you another spot to use your coupon codes that will help you get sales. So let's pop back over to my courses, and I am gonna type in secrets Okay, so here is the first course I ever started selling on New Zenler. And if we go to the automation of this course, okay, you're gonna see that you can set up all these automatic emails, right? It makes sense. Someone buys something, they get an email afterwards. So then after people bought the course and had days to do it, so 7 days after that, I had an email that went out to people that was like, hey, like join my membership. And then you can see that I have a code, use coupon code save 300 to get this many days of this for $300 less. So in your automation of either marketing funnels or workshops or courses, whatever you're selling, after you've sold that, I highly recommend leading people down the path of your sales, right? Selling them more. Once someone's a buyer, chances are they're going to be a continual buyer from you if they like their stuff. And so then you can use coupon codes in automatic emails, email campaigns that go out to the people so they can continue purchasing from you at a discount.